Andũ a diocese ya Embu, mwĩ wakwo mũrĩ aro rĩngĩ, tũkumieni Yesu Kristo, tũkumieni Yesu Kristo. Your Excellency, the Apostolic Nuncio, who is the representative of the Holy Father and who is a delegate of Pope Francis in today's occasion of our new Bishop-elect Peter Kimani. Your Excellency, President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defense Forces, Dr. William Samoei Ruto. Your Excellency, our Deputy President, Professor Kithure Kindiki. Our dear Governor, Governor Cicely Mbarire. Your Graces, your Lordships, our dear Mother to Bishop Peter Kimani, our dear priests, religious men and women, our dear guests here present, including our fourth President, Uhuru Kenyatta, leaders of government, including many cabinet ministers here present, many MPs here present, many county leaders present, our people of God, andũ a Embu twĩ wakwo rĩngĩ. Askofu tunayo ama hatunaye? Askofu tunayo ama hatunaye? Today, the Diocese of Embu receives the fourth Bishop and Shepherd. Tutulie tafadhali. Wakristo tutulie tafadhali. Wakristo tutulie tafadhali. Today, the Diocese of Embu receives her fourth Bishop and Shepherd. It is a day of grace. We are in church, my dear people. Andũ a Embu twĩ kanithari, twĩ kanithari. Allow me. Today is a day of grace, when the Holy Spirit comes upon a new shepherd, the fourth Bishop of Embu. After the very first, who is also here present, the first, who is our Cardinal John Jr. here present. We remember in a very special way our Bishop Paul Kariuki, who is recovering. we receive the Holy Spirit over the new shepherd, Bishop-elect Peter Kimani, and the entire people of God to give new life and impulse to evangelization work in this region. Mwaka huu tumesherehekea miaka 100 ya uinjilishaji wa eneo hii na wamisionari wa Konsolata. Na ni mwaka aliyetangazwa kwamba ni Mtakatifu Yosefu Alamano, mwanzilishi wa Wakonsolata. Basi ni mwaka wa neema. Tunawalaki wote katika sherehe hii. Ni heshima kubwa mno mmekuja kwa wingi hivi. Ni heshima kubwa kwamba Your Excellency the President umetupatia heshima kuwa nasi siku ya leo pamoja na deputy na serikali yako. Ni heshima kubwa viongozi wetu kujumuika nasi, lakini ni heshima kubwa kwa Mungu ambaye leo tumeungana kumtukuza, kumpa sifa. Hakuna lengo lingine leo ila kumwomba ambariki huyu baba yetu mpya. Kwa hivyo yote mengine hayamo katika agenda yetu ya leo. Heshima kuu kwa Monsignor Peter Kimani aliyekubali kazi shambani mwa Bwana. Asante sana kwa kuitika wito na tunakusimamia, tunakushikilia. We especially thank the Holy Father for appointing Monsignor Peter Kimani as our bishop of this great diocese, Terra Mater, the beloved land of Embu. And so too, we thank the Apostolic Nuncio, first for his crucial role in appointing the new bishop for us, and for accepting to preside over the consecration of Bishop Peter Kimani. Allow me now kindly to invite you all to stand up and with a thunderous clap, welcome the Apostolic Nuncio to preside over the Mass today. Welcome, Your Excellency.
Kwa jina la Baba na la Mwana na la Roho Mtakatifu. Amina. Amani iwe kwenu. We come together to celebrate the Eucharist and to be witness of the ordination of, once again, another bishop for the church in Kenya, the new bishop for the Diocese of Embu. Peter Kimani, he's standing there among the crowds. And that is the way it should be, a shepherd with his people, already immersed in the flock. And we're going to call him forward a bit later on in order that, so to say, God may see him as well and fill him with his grace in order that he may guide the people of Embu, the church in Embu, to get to greener pastures, to find their way every day closer to God. At the beginning of this Eucharist, as we enter in communion with Christ himself, who gives his body and blood for us in order that we would give our body and blood for him, at the beginning of this Eucharist, we want to acknowledge our egoism, our lack of dedication and commitment, our lack of faith, our lack of love, and we ask the Lord for pardon and strength. Ndugu zangu, tukiri dhambi zetu ili tupate kustahilisha kuadhimisha mafumbo matakatifu. Namuungamia Mungu Mwenyezi, nanyi ndugu zangu, kwani nimekosa mno kwa mawazo, kwa maneno, kwa matendo na kukutimiza wajibu. Nimekosa mimi, nimekosa sana. Ndiyo maana namwomba Maria mwenye heri, bikira daima, malaika na watakatifu wote, nanyi ndugu zangu, niombeeni kwa Bwana Mungu wetu. Mungu Mwenyezi atuhurumie, atusamehe dhambi zetu, atufikishe kwenye uzima wa milele. Amen.